Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app, Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so now we are talking about Uber and Lyft Christmas bonuses. So if you're a Uber or Lyft driver and you're thinking about going out to drive around the holiday season, this is a really big travel time. So a lot of people are flying around Christmas, New Year's.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of surge bonuses going on. So you want to make sure you're out there every single day. Wake up early to get those. I always talk about it. Wake up early to get the airport rides.
Yeah. I have a little story time about that.
Okay.
So last week when I was trying to order an Uber, there were like no Ubers and they kept canceling. And I was like worried I was going to get to the airport too late and miss my flight. Finally, one Uber who's 20 minutes away accepts the ride. And right away I messaged him and I was like, please don't cancel. And he didn't. And he came 20 minutes later and he was like, you know what's funny? I was actually about to cancel the ride when I saw how far away you were to pick up. But when you messaged me, please don't cancel, I didn't. And he came. And I also told him I'd give him an extra big tip. So I gave him like $30 tip.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
Oh my
Because it
God.
was like, I don't know, he was like really nice. And it was like, we
yeah,
really
you need to go.
needed a
You need to
ride.
go. Yeah.
So yeah, the trip was like $90 plus the $30 tip. And it was like an hour ride. So like if you're doing trips like that a lot and you're being like very nice, helping with luggage, going
Yeah.
like very early in the morning, this was like 4 a.m, then you could be making like, I think he made, I'm gonna guess like,
$100
yeah, or like 90
with tip or without?
with the tip.
Yeah. For how long? An hour?
Yeah, plus the 20 minutes it took to drive to pick us up. But like,
Yeah, guys, this is a really good example about you.
And then what's great is that there's also tons of people arriving and
Yeah.
like needing to leave the airport, so you can get another ride like right away from the airport, like back into town.
Yeah, airports are your best friend, especially during the holidays.
Yeah.
So go out there, guys. Get that bonus. Use Solo. Get your guaranteed pay, link below. And get that bonus. Get that Monet.